gang? D4G here.
I am back. What it do, baby?
Alright, man. Y'all, I got a new fragrance that I'm gonna present to y'all today. Today I'm gonna be presenting to y'all Maahir Legacy. Now this is a fragrance from the house of Lattafa, and this is the third one I would like to say. I know they have a black one. I think they have one more. I'm not too sure, but I know they got a black one for sure. This is the newest one. We're checking out Maahir Silver. And we're gonna tap into this one. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about this one. This is a first impression, so he's gonna dive right into it. All right, man. First things first, bro. You slide it out like this. This is a big ass box. So I'm expecting the bottle to be. All right, not a bad little package setup. I'm probably not gonna keep all this, but it's not a bad setup though, I must say. And the bottle is right here. This little velvet package on the side.
Trash.
Bro, I'm rocking with this bottle, man. Oh my god, bro. This bottle just made me want to get the black one off rip. I don't even know what it smells like. We about to tap into it. We let y'all know what I think. First things first, all day, every day. Spray it up. Spray that. Atomizing not bad on this one. This ain't bad, bro. This ain't bad, man. I can tell you right now, I'm picking up citruses. I'm picking up a little bit of like a mint accord, so it's definitely gonna have that citrus aromatic feeling going. Just grab a strip. Let's see what this one hitting on. I want to say this, bro. In the air, I already like this fragrance. Like in the air, this shit is beautiful. Now let's see where it's at on nose real quick. Hold on. All right, bro. I'm gonna let you know right now. This shit is a banger, man. First thing I'm picking up is that lime mixing together with that mint combination. But I'm also able to pick up the lavender and the rosemary that this fragrance has in it, bro. This is an extremely aromatic style fragrance. If you like I'm a big fan of aromatics. If you like aromatics, you're gonna like this one. That lime is giving it a nice touch up top. It's not completely citrus dominant in that open. It is gelling together with that mint very nicely. Now, together, this is blended together very well, bro. This is a very blended fragrance. Very nice. You really can't pick up one particular note without just smelling it. In the air, you kind of get the feel of where it's going. But on strip, this shit is blended nice, bro. Oh my gosh, man. This is a nice fragrance. Spring, summertime for sure. You can't pull this one off in those cold months. It doesn't smell like you have the body for those cold months. But during a high heat situation, yes. And what I'm picking up right now, daytime for sure. I think that with that mint and lavender combination, you'll be able to get away with it at nighttime as well. Add a little, do something type of factor to the fragrance. Oh, for real, man. I am enjoying this, man. Now, I will say this, that as it's starting to sit here, that mint and lavender and rosemary are definitely the main players of this fragrance. You can't pick up that lime, but it's so-so, it's slight. But those aromatics, you can pick up those aromatics. Oh, for real. This is a beautiful fragrance, dog. Now, this fragrance does have some geranium in there. It also has some juniper berries in there. And I'm starting to pick up that juniper berry balsamic feel that it has, but I'm not getting that pineapple, and I'm not really getting too much of the geranium either. This is just, bro, this is a beautiful aromatic, slight citrus style fragrance. As this starts to transition, you can pick up how this is gonna have a little bit more of an earthy feel compared to a woody feel. It's gonna be in that earthy realm more so than the woods. Hey man, first impression, out with the fellas, out by myself. I think that this fragrance will be good for almost everything but date night. Because date night, I really want to give off that seduction. Now, it's different when I'm with my boys or I'm by myself and I'm doing something that's different. But when I'm date night, I already got somebody that I'm with. It's more like a seduction type of thing. This ain't giving off that. It ain't giving off that seduction vibe. But it is giving off do something for do something. You know what I'm saying? If you can score something late night, it is giving off that for sure. This would be nice. This would be nice, bro. I'm rocking with this heavy, bro. This is a nice pickup, man. I'm rocking with this fragrance heavy. Definitely need to check this one out if you're a big fan of those aromatics. A little bit of citrus up top. This is a banger. I'm gonna have to do a gas or trash on this one soon because this is a fragrance that y'all can actually wear right now. And this one is B.O.B. safe. I picked this up off of Fragrance by CA, I think, for like less than 30 bucks. B.O.B. safe. For sure, man. You know we got you locked over here. We represent for the B.O.B. as your B.O.B. general. But hey, man, please let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on this. If you already have this in your collection, if you do, What do you think of this? Because this right here is a hit. Now, I gotta say, it's not on that same ballpark as layton, because this is in a ballpark of its own. But it is doing somewhat the same thing. So, depending on what you got, this could actually be a hit for you. If you don't have a lot of those aromatic spring, summertime fragrances, this could be a hit for you, for real, fam. But let me know what y'all think down in the comment section if you do already have this fragrance. Holler at me in the comments. But with all that being said, we got to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it. Damn. E4G truly blessed. Destined for greatness. Yeah.